Russell.
Yeah.
What are we doing?
Oh, I was like, what is that?
What are you doing?
I thought there was a package in the seat or something. It's part of the seatbelt thing.
Ah, but y'all know what? Russell's not going to tell you what we're doing. I'm going to tell you what we're doing. We're
Oh.
selling this dang Cadillac.
Yeah, we sold
He
the
didn't
car.
He didn't realize I had the camera going. But anyways, we're selling this Cadillac. A guy is on his way from Dallas, and we're gonna just like rinse it off and get it ready, take off the license plates, because I'm keeping those dang license plates. They say California. California
Knows how to party.
What about the Californians off Saturday Night Live?
See, that's past my era.
Sandy loves that.
I've seen the highlight reel of it, so I know what you're talking about. But that's past my time.
Sandy loves the Californians. All right, well, let's get all our crap out of here and rinse it off. Get it ready to go. Russell's got the truck all jacked up. Got all his exhaust pieces laid out. We got a welder over here. The Multimatic 235. What are you gonna do? Weld up some exhaust?
Yeah, buddy, I'm just trying to get it up at a manageable height so a big fella like me can get underneath there.
Man, we should just put it on the lift.
You know, I was thinking the same thing.
Yeah, I mean, that lift, we don't got a lift.
We don't got a lift. Some people got a lot of money. We don't.
That's hilarious. My favorite one's the tax one. And that's
a write-off.
No. The one where the kid's like, what's wrong? It's unfair. Taxes.
I be crying about them taxes sometimes too.
Yeah. You need 2 more jack stands?
Yeah, friendo.
All right, I'll go get some. All right, so we're looking for bolts in our handy dandy bolt bin that I organized.
A bunch of these are body shop bolts.
Yeah.
I saved them. Like,
What does that go on?
I don't know why I save it. It's like a GM rear bumper assembly, so you don't need a wrench on the backside. This just slides through, lines up in the holes.
Yeah.
Nut. And tighten them up.
I'm sure we'll use that at some point.
Like that's came with some probably running boards or something like that.
Yeah.
Just an odd little thing, but I just can't throw that stuff away.
No, I mean, that's why we saved it all and we're using something.
Yeah, I'm using these. These look like they came off a ranch hand or something. They're grade 8.
Exhaust bolts now.
Yeah.
All right. Got the truck all jacked up.
Finna run to the muffler store.
I'm gonna stay around here.
Yeah, there's somebody coming to look at the car. I'm gonna run and get a couple exhaust hangers and 8 feet of tubing.
Cool.
And then we're gonna come back and put this thing together.
And to load up this car.
And load up this car on a U-Haul trailer.
He said they got a 21-foot U-Haul trailer.
Oh, really?
Dual
Back
axle.
in the day, they only had like a 17-foot, 16-foot.
He said it was like 20, I think. 20, 21.
That's good.
We'll see when he gets here.
Everybody that's brought a trailer to buy a car
No,
has
it's
been
not been good.
Other than House of Cars.
Oh yeah, House of
They had
Cars.
their stuff together.
Yes, they do. And they still got those limousines
Limos.
if anybody's interested.
Yeah, but everybody else has brought some crazy
Janky.
trailers.
Not janky. That
Not
one
janky.
just not right for the situation.
Right.
They're not.
These 70s cars are big.
You got to have a big trailer.
They're wide. Yeah, like an orbit.
All right. Why are you dancing?
I'm footloose.
Strange individual.
Everybody going footloose. Footloose. Finna get started on this exhaust. Let me show you all my parts and pieces. This is a home jobby. We've got 4-footer 2.5s, 2 2.5 90s, 4 exhaust hangers, bolts, flanges, gaskets, and mufflers. So now I just got to put all this together. I'm going to start off. I'm going to clean these flanges up, clean the ends of my pipe up, so that once I get everything where it needs to be, I can put some healthy tacks on there, drop everything out from underneath the truck, weld it all out. We'll bring you along and show you what we're doing. We're going to bolt these on first, no gaskets, and get them where they need to be, and then we'll slide the pipe up there, a whole section, get it straight back, measure it off of the bottom of the cab. Once we get that where we like it, we'll tack those into place, and we'll figure out where we want our mufflers. You're looking at me crazy.
I'm just going with it, 'cause I don't know what you're doing. I'm just like, yeah. Okay.
So first things first, we're gonna take these two exhaust flanges, header flanges, exhaust flanges, thingamabobs. We're gonna bolt these to the headers. Now they have a, if you look at them, they've got a little rolled edge here and they're flatter on this side.
I bet you this flat edge is gonna be where this goes to weld to.
See, I'm thinking the other way around.
Really?
I'm thinking that the gasket area needs to be the flattest area.
I was testing you. I was testing you.
That's what I was thinking.
Yeah, I knew the right answer. I was just testing Russell to make sure that he knew what he was talking about.
So I'm gonna bolt these on because this will fit inside of there.
Just like that?
Like that, somewhat. So I can stick this, I can bolt these where they need to be and stick this up there.
Put that back on there. We'll test you again. And then you weld on this side.
You failed the test.
You weld all this around this side.
Negative.
Just testing you, I knew that.
Negative. unless you want
to grind it. Yeah, I know.
And then that'll be, I mean, they have no choice but to go where these bolt up. So that's where I'm starting from.
All right, cool.
All right.
All right, unfortunately, these nuts, bolts,
these nuts,
these bolts will not fit on the header. It's smaller, so won't work. So now we're finding some more. Russell's looking in his bolt bead.
I don't know if these are the right ones, but these are the right ones.
It works?
Yeah, and they got like a built-in washer, like a locking style washer.
Ooh.
So
that's what we're gonna use?
That's what we're gonna use.
All right.
I'm just making a tack so I can get these as straight as I can. And kind of get them in place because I don't need to do any trimming on these pieces. If I have to trim on this end or this end, at least I'll have these two pieces.
Gotcha. Well, I'm gonna go get the food ready. I've got it already.
Supper time.
Lunch. Mine's ready. Right, so I've been meal prepping. Russell doesn't like broccoli, so he's just getting chicken and rice. Sweet. Ooh, that looks good. Look in there. I'll eat that up. Yeah. Last time you're seeing the Cadillac, it's leaving. It's going.
It's going to Dallas.
Heck yeah, man. You enjoy this car, man.
Hey, I appreciate you very much.
All right, brother. We'll see you. Hey, what are you doing down here?
Well, just putting a couple little tackaroos on here.
A little tackies?
Little tackaroos.
Well, we got some money in the account.
I was just adding it up.
Yeah.
You want me to say numbers on camera?
Wes can bleep it out.
Okay. We made like, off the limos and Cadillacs combined, we made like,
That works.
that's pretty good profit and still getting to enjoy the cars.
Are you sure it's that much? All right. Well, we made more money than I thought.
Yeah.
Let's keep doing this.
Yeah. Yeah. That's pretty good profit considering we got to drive them around and enjoy them. I mean, we had to work on them,
Yeah.
but
That was the fun part.
It was the fun part. And dog,
Y'all got to come along.
I got the story forever and a day from now that for 6 months I had a convertible Cadillac Eldorado.
We owned convertible Cadillac Eldorados for 6 months.
Yeah.
And we enjoyed the piss out of them.
Yeah.
Now that guy's going to enjoy the crap out of them.
Yeah.
Well,
he's gonna donk it out, but
he's thinking about changing his mind. He's like, I don't know, it's too nice to
good.
change. It's too
Good.
nice to do all that stuff too.
Don't you destroy the Caddy.
Right, so we're about to hear what it sounds like with exhaust on it. Russell's got it all tacked up, or he's finished tacking it up, and now we're about to listen to it. So,
Well, it's definitely gonna have some exhaust leaks because there's no gaskets and there's only a couple welds at each joint. But maybe it won't sound like a dirt track car. Sounds a lot better. It sounds a lot better.
yeah, that sounds good.
Dude, that sounds real good.
Yeah, it's not bad.
It sounds like a truck, you know, like. Haha.
Look at that. I like the way it sounds. Yeah. I like it.
Haha, nice.
Dude, this thing's coming together.
Yeah, I gotta tack my hangers where they need to be, mark for some holes because we're gonna try to bolt the hangers on.
We're gonna bolt them.
We're gonna bolt them to the truck side. We're gonna weld them to the exhaust side and bolt them to the truck side.
Okay.
Because I don't want to grind on our painted frame.
Ooh, that's true.
So I'd rather just try to figure out a way to make them bolt on.
And we got those thingamajopper poppers.
Yeah, I'd rather use a regular bolt and nut and lock washer on this.
Oh, okay. All right, cool. All right, so we got this Y pipe. We had back in the scrap yard. It came off of the donor truck. That truck came off that truck. And I'm gonna take these O2 sensors off here. Well, I'm gonna attempt. That's what I'm about to do. Try to get these off so we can use them. Oh, man, that's freaking easy. I thought it was gonna be really, really difficult. Oh, that hurt my knee. Oh, shit. All right, I got some O2 sensors. I'm pooped now, I gotta quit working. You weren't doing your tongue.
I wasn't.
No, you're supposed to do your tongue thing. I was trying to get it. Are you still welding?
I'm still tacking.
A lot of tacks, huh? You know what you're doing, Russell.
I don't really know what I'm doing. I'm just figuring it out as I go.
Okay.
Story of my life.
I'm gonna get us some turn downs.
You gonna make us some?
I don't know. I'm just gonna chop up some stuff.
Yes, some stuff.
I'm gonna chop off some stupid stuff. That's what I'm doing. I'm gonna make, Russell said, chop it up. Got us at 90. Got us another one over here somewhere. Got some turn downs. Not 90. Yeah, it's kind of like a 90. But we got turn downs right here. I got 2 pieces. Oh yeah?
Tighter.
That is pretty tight.
Harder.
Stronger?
Done.
Yeah, we're almost done. Wait, I'm gonna say that. You're almost done.
We're almost done.
We got this one already done. About to put it on. I'm just letting it cool off. He's almost done with that one. We've accomplished a couple things today.
Yeah, we have.
Sold a Cadillac and got the exhaust finished. All right, fire her up, Russell.
Tell me how it sounds.
Sucker sounds good.
It looks nice under here too.
Hell yeah. I like it.
Truck sounds good.
Yep, it sure does.
We're very happy with it.
The free 50 free exhaust.
Free 50 free. Just a little welding. We got it put together and we're about ready to start cruising this truck around. So y'all look for it at LS Fest and look for it on the streets of East Texas and do what makes you happy.
Yeah, and if you would like to purchase this truck,
it's for sale.
it is for sale.
Everything's for sale.
Yep.
Chase is for sale.
Yes. Cheap?
Yeah.
I'm not cheap.
He's easy.
Out of here.